Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about sprouting and how to reuse sprouting water in case you've got house plants in your home. Some pro tip for you. So what I've got here, check this out. Well, you are thinking, well, I can't see a thing. So if you'd like to sprout in the dark, I really find this really useful. And what am I soaking there? So at the moment I am soaking sunflower seeds and black lentil. I really like the black lentil. It's really tiny, if you can see. So it doesn't need so much soaking because, as I said, it's really tiny. And what I am doing, basically before I was soaking in different jars, then I put it in sprouting jars, and I was thinking why to make so much fuss about this. So basically I soak it in one jar, then I rinse it properly, and I sprout it in the same jar. And before I get rid of the water, I actually catch the water and I use it for my houseplants. And in case I am growing something in the greenhouse, I use it as well. And use the water as a plant fertilizer. I've got 2 water baths outside, so whenever I can, I use raining water for my house plants. Obviously only up till sort of autumn time, and when there is a frost I put the water baths inside, I empty them. This is really great tip for you, and it's a great fertilizer as well, and your house plants will love it. So let's see what it looks like from the black lentil. Let me just show you. As you can see, the water, it's really black and dark, and you can see it's starting slightly. So let me get rid of the water and use it for my plants, and then we can start the sprouting process. So I basically let it drip, and then I dilute this and use it for my house plants. Look how dark it is. And here I've got the sunflower seeds, and it's sort of like really oily. And I was writing some article regarding sunflower seeds, and it says in case you've got parrot, you shouldn't feed the parrot very often with sunflower seeds. It's really good nourishing, but it's sort of like junk food for them, and I can see how oily it is actually, so it's just brought up some memories for me. And let's do the same with the sunflower seeds. And I'm gonna really dilute it, and that's it. So I hope you find it useful, and I hope you are gonna try it. Let me know if you are already doing this or what else you are doing for your houseplants. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now, share with your friends and family, spread some love, and leave me some comments below. Thanks very much for watching. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.